If you want to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Windows, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you log in. And WhatsApp is one of the easiest ways to transfer your files, videos, photos from your own account on WhatsApp on your phone. You're gonna be able to just upload the photos in high resolution, of course, and you're gonna be able or files or videos, and you're gonna be able to click the photo or the video and then just hit right here the download at the top right, and you're gonna be able to download it to your device straight away. Another way of doing it, you can just go ahead to your Google Drive. In your Google Drive, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and drag the file, upload the file from your iPhone. If you have Google Drive app on your iPhone, just go ahead and upload the photo, video file, and then you're gonna be able to see something similar like this. Log in with the same account that you have on your Google Drive, and then just go to whatever file, photo, video, and then click the three dots next to the file, and then just hit download, and you're gonna be able to download it to your device. And lastly, another, which is easiest way too, go to a share drop. ShareDrop.io is an amazing website that allows you to share your files, videos, photos from your iPhone alone. And basically the way to operate, you can just go ahead and click the plus button, scan the QR code on your device, right? Just open your iPhone or your Android and then scan the QR code, and then you'll be redirected to a website. And from there, you're going to be able to basically follow along the prompts and click the teddy bear or whatever character they put on the website. And then just click on the character or the avatar, and then you're going to be able to upload the file, and the file will appear right here. Okay, so I can accept it, right? Accept the file, or I could just reject it and will be rejected from the phone as well. If I accepted the file, I'm gonna be able to download it without any damages or problems with the resolution or anything. So here's the steps to basically download files from your between your iPhone and onto your PC or Windows. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.